Hi everybody, my name is Sagar Sen and I'm going to be presenting SINTEF Digital's team at InterQ, high quality and secure data for manufacturing. The team is composed of Enrique Cesar Garcia and Funa Nguyen, including myself. So SINTEF is one of Europe's largest independent research organizations. We have about 2,000 employees from 75 different countries, several thousand customers. And in 2018, our total revenue has been calculated to be 3.5 billion Norwegian kroner, and we have had 480 million Norwegian kroner in international sales. The vision of SINTEF is to develop technology for a better society. So our goal has been to digitize several industries, which include industry and infrastructure, food, energy, work and productivity, mobility, health and welfare, smart and secure societies. And in addition, we also have work on several projects concerning climate, environment, and oceans. SINTEF is primarily a multidisciplinary applied contract research organization, and we work in close collaboration with the universities that are performing basic research and education and businesses that develop products and applications of research results from SINTEF and the university. More than 90% of our incomes come from contracts won in open competition. Large part of it is from businesses in Norway and the public sector in Norway. In addition, we have several grants from the Norwegian Research Council and the European Union. SINTEF participates in about 166 projects with the cost of 1,630 million euros. We have coordinated about 43 projects and signed contracts worth 116 million euros as of 2018. The SINTEF Foundation consists of several institutes, and we are part of SINTEF Digital. SINTEF Digital has 6 departments: software and service innovation, software engineering, safety and security, mathematics and cybernetics, smart sensor systems, microsystems technology, acoustics, and communication. We are part of the software and service innovation department, and within that department, we are part of the secure IoT software group. So the goal of secure IoT software is to do research in software engineering with a particular focus on tools and methodologies for software development of heterogeneous and autonomous software systems, which include systems in the cloud, the edge, and IoT. Our main background in the project comes from 2 European projects in the past: MC Suite Productive 4.0, a startup, a Sweet Spot, which is an IoT startup, and a project that we are also involved in along with InterQ, which is Data for Zero. So MC Suite is a project where we've been involved in sensorizing machines for manufacturing and monitoring these machines to obtain data and visualize it. So we built applications for the cloud to perform these activities. In Productive 4.0, we did something similar, but for the chemical production industry, and in particular to optimize the chemical production process. We've also used several sensors as part of this project and developed the Arrowhead framework for orchestration of services. One of the participants in the project, which is myself, has also been a co-founder of Sweet Spot, an IoT startup, where they developed a sensor, a hardware sensor for measurement of forces through a strain gauge. And they've used it to create virtual sensors for measurement of respiratory flow, as you see in the picture here, where the person is providing data from the flow sensor in the mouth and the rib cage expansion and contraction measurement. So we try to predict respiratory flow from the mouth based on the rib cage movement. Similarly, we also built a virtual sensor to predict sleep apnea which is basically looking at the breathing pattern and identifying bounding boxes around areas of interest, which is such as sleep apnea. So we hope to use similar technology in detecting anomalies in the machining process and building virtual sensors from for sensors that are not working very well. Data for 4.0 is a project very similar to InterQ that we are involved in some concurrently with InterQ, where our goal is to build data quality management tools for data reliability. So the effort done in InterQ will also apply to the case studies in Data 4.0. The main objectives of SINTEF in the project is to uh, develop state-of-the-art data quality for Industry 4.0, real-time anomaly detection and multivariate time series data from sensors, develop virtual sensors to detect faults in real sensors that are not working very well or are operating in harsh environments, virtual sensors to repair low-quality data, IoT security, data management, and governance. To exemplify, imagine a CNC milling machine which produces data from which can be observed, and we have data from several different sensors, from the spindle, from the part, and so on, and also new sensors like the acoustic emission sensor. Our goal is to detect anomalies in such time series data and also build virtual sensors that can detect data quality errors in one sensor based on data available in other sensors, and virtual sensors for repairing erroneous data in one sensor based on data available in other sensors. Our role in InterQ is the following. We are leading the Work Package 4, essentially facilitating all the activities within it. And within Work Package 4, we are the leader of Task 4.3. In Work Package 5, we lead Task 5.3, which is on AI-driven global production line optimization. Work Package 6, we are involved as task leader for security, data management, and governance. Work Package 7, we will produce a demonstration for all the work that is done in Work Package 4. And we will also help the coordinators to cluster for clustering and international cooperation. These are the details of our team. My name is Sagar Sen. I'm a senior research scientist. Then we have Enrique Garcia, who's a research scientist at SINTEF, who has previous experience from Productive and STAMP. And we have Fu, who has worked in several European projects, in particular with security. And we have Mrs. Stina Holm, who will be our administrative manager for this project and help us with all administrative activities within the project. SINTEF also has several facilities, notably the Gemini IoT Center for testing IoT sensors and other devices, also actuators like robots and so on. We have a mini cloud to deploy cloud applications. The Smart Sensors Lab has expertise in building domain-specific sensors with FPGAs and also use commercially available sensors for many different applications. And SINTEF Manufacturing, which has a vast experience in the manufacturing domain, which would be very valuable for the InterQ project as well. Thank you for listening, and we are very eager to we eagerly look forward to working with you.